Hi everyone, I just wanted to take a moment to thank Team Restmore for their amazing product. Restmore is all natural and it helps your brain during the restorative part of its sleep cycle. If you want to be awake during the day, try Restmore at night.
Restmore is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Restmore. Now available on Amazon. Good night.
Fuck hurts. Let me see.
If you're looking for the best night's sleep of your life, then look no further. Restmore combines 19 essential herbs, vitamins, and minerals. It's the top sleep supplement on the market today. Restmore is healthy, natural, and available on Amazon Prime through buyrestmore.com. If great sleep is important to you, then try Restmore.